In this video, how to change signature on Docusign. I will show you step by step how to change your signature in Docusign. First, go to the Docusign website in your browser. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, go to the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture or account icon. From the menu, click the option called Manage Profile. Now find the section called Signatures. Click the option to view your saved signatures. You will see the signature currently saved in your account. Click the Edit button to change the signature. Now choose how you want to create your new signature. You can type your name to generate an automatic signature. You can also draw your signature using your mouse or touchscreen. Another option is uploading an image of your signature. After creating the new signature, review the result. Click Adopt and Sign or Save to confirm. Your new signature will now be saved in your account. From now on, this signature will be used in documents you sign.